I'm Miss I.
I'm Miss K.
I'm Miss Reed.
I've spent hundreds of dollars. I mean, this is only my second year of teaching. Last year, I think I spent close to $1,000 on classroom materials and supplies.
We are delivering these boxes in hopes and giving you $500 to each classroom in hopes that you don't have to spend so much out of your own pocket.
Oh, yes.
$500. I'm already for it.
I know, I'm like,
Oh, whiteboards.
Masks are really good.
Whiteboards. Thank goodness.
We're gonna need that.
Super
pencils.
helpful. Oh look, expo. That's nice.
I love how there's a bunch
Oh,
of
look.
really cool science activities in here. That's really cool.
Headphones too.
Extra.
Love it. Needed more of these dry erase board markers too. I almost bought those too. Okay, cool.
Yes. Oh my land, this is so awesome. Thank you guys so
Yes.
much. Thank you. Oh man. This will be great for our class tour, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Thanks Mark Miller Subaru for adopting our classrooms.